The Canva feature we'll be exploring today is Content Planner. I'll be showing you how it works shortly. So I want to schedule a post to my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page. The last post on it was on January 22nd. So I want to have a new post here. So I'm going to post it directly from Canva. That is what Content Planner helps you to do. It helps you to schedule a post or save to draft that you can publish much later. So let's head over to Canva and schedule a post. I'll go to more on your dashboard. You'll see more. Go to more, click on Content Planner, and then go to the date where you want to schedule. Today is 5th of September, so I want to schedule a post that will publish in the next 1 minute. This says 8:48, so I'm going to click on plus to add a post. I'll be using this one, this quote here. Click on it. That's the quote I want to publish in the next 1 minute. And then choose a channel, of course, Facebook. You can choose any other channel that is connected. It could be your YouTube, your Instagram, LinkedIn, but my Facebook is connected, so I'll click on it. Then type in a caption. I'll use the same caption on the design. Your potential grows every time you show up. You show up. That's the caption. And then I'll change the time. I said I want it to publish in the next 1 minute. So this is 8:40. Okay, let's say 8:50. This is 8:49. Let's say 8:50. 8:50 a.m. So in the next 1 minute, it should be on my page. Then I'll click on schedule. And that's it. It's 8:50. Now let me refresh this page and you will see the post. So here it is. Here is the post. So that's how to schedule and post directly from Canva to any platform of choice.